The human brain is one of the most researched organs, yet we are still far away from understanding the true potential of our central processing unit. Some say that a human being is actually the brain part, and the body is just a vessel to carry it around, along with all the vital organs to supplement its needs. That is completely true and scary if you give it considerable thought. There are a lot of misconceptions that float around about our brain. So today, we are going to share some of the most amazing facts about the human brain that will blow your mind. Pun intended. Starting from number 1. The brain itself can't feel pain. Ever wonder how brain surgeons can perform surgeries on patients while they're awake? Beth McQuistion, MD, a neurologist and the medical director of the diagnostics division at the healthcare company Abbott, explains that even though the brain has layers of coverings and blood vessels that contain pain receptors, the brain itself has zero. When a person has a headache, for example, it's often thought of as pain stemming from the brain. But this is not the case. The muscles and skin surrounding the brain, however, can feel pain. That's the perfect explanation for when there is a tumor in your brain. You don't feel anything unless it starts pushing against the internal part of your skull, and then you feel the pain. Number 2, our brain makes new neurons. While most of our neurons have been with us since birth, and age does not take a toll, your brain still makes new neurons. This process, known as neurogenesis, occurs in a special region called the dentate gyrus. These neurons are thought to be important for learning, memory, and responding to stress. These brain facts have been highly debated, but a 2019 study published in the journal Nature Medicine that looked at the brain tissue of 58 recently deceased people found that the adult brain can indeed generate new neurons. You can increase neurogenesis in your brain by living a healthy lifestyle, take enough sleep, physical exercise, and a balanced diet speeds up the process. Number 3, you can see through your ears. If you are watching this video, you may not be able to experience this unique feature of your brain. The process is called neuroplasticity, or the brain's ability to reorganize and change itself through a person's lifetime. This is a truly remarkable thing. In one 2011 study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, the University of Montreal researchers compared the brain activity of individuals who were born blind and those who had normal vision. They found that the part of the brain that's normally wired to work with your eyes can instead rewire itself to process sound information instead of visual perception. And number 4, the brain waves of two musicians can synchronize when performing together. There's a scientific reason why your favorite bands and musicians blend harmoniously. A team of scientists at the Max Planck Institute for Human Development in Berlin, Germany, used electrodes to record the brain waves of 16 pairs of guitarists as they played the same musical sequence. Even though the two individuals in each pair played different parts, their brain waves synchronized. This study suggests that there's a neural blueprint for coordinating actions with others. Brain waves, neurochemicals, and some say even heartbeats start to sync and become similar in those singing together or in choirs. Number 5. Brain freeze is your brain recognizing an instant temperature drop. It's true. To save you from freezing to death, your brain leaps into action when it senses a drop in temperature on your palate. Your brain quickly increases blood pressure to tell you to slow down or take it easy. The scientific term is phenopalatin ganglioneuralgia, and it's a way for your brain to say that it is turning up the brakes on what you are doing to prevent unwanted changes due to temperature. So which one of these facts are new to you? Do you know anything unique about our brains? Share with us in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like the video. See you next time.